physics that goes into making these machines work. The Lotus team is actually sponsored by Microsoft and Avanade, and a lot of work has gone into using the services in Windows Azure to get the telemetry data from the car to the pit lane and then back to the actual factory in the UK, so they can see what's going on in the actual racing as well. And I like playing driving games. Forza Horizon is one of my favourites. I like the way it's not a serious racing game. It's kind of an open world, but with good physics and good playability. So I'm kind of more into that style of games. And as I mentioned, the main scenario behind this is to provide an integration between the application and Azure. I deliver a lot of sessions on this. I use this in my training courses. I do racing game workshops where you can do hands-on labs integrating this stuff with Azure. And it's kind of a nice way of showing something that people can relate to and how it works with a cloud computing platform. So a bit about the game and simulator physics. Really, when you're thinking about building physics into a game or into an application, you've got to make a lot of decisions. And one of those is, are you going to focus on building a simulation, or are you going to focus on playability? So a couple of videos basically are going to show sort of what I mean by that. Now, when you look at a pure simulation, it's going to be something like this. This is at the actual Red Bull factory in the UK. And this is the actual kind of simulation rigs that they use for Formula One cars. They cost millions and millions of dollars. They're highly complex, and they're really designed to actually provide the most accurate simulation as they can on the actual car. They're limited in testing in Formula One, so if they put a new front wing on the car, they want to be able to model the downforce that particular design of front wing will place on the car and how that will affect the car going around the track. So these fantastically complicated machines are basically, what they're really focused on. So they're going in for the sort of a pure simulation angle of things. If you look at what people start doing at home, is anybody into